Summer is coming to an end, but we managed to squeeze in a few fun sunny days and also spend some time with our youngest ones. August was a month of quality time and bonding. Two teams of Comtrade System Integrations engineers, our custom development and BPM and ESB teams, have gotten together at Mokra Gora. The team building activities included lots of outdoor activities and sports. These two-day retreats allowed our colleagues from Belgrade, Kragujevac and Čačak to join forces for the busy fall that's ahead of us. Do you remember when you were a kid how exciting it was when your parents took you to work? So that's why we organized a fun family gathering for our youngest Comtraders. We showed them our new space and organized some fun games along with back-to-school gifts. We charged our batteries during summer holidays and we are looking forward to a busy September. We'll see you next month. Take care.